Most CSS is about selecting elements on our page. Pseudo selectors allow us to select a state of an element, like hover. Here we have a basic HTML page with an anchor tag that navigates to google.com. Let's add a hover rule so that when the user hovers over this link, the color changes. First, I'll select all anchor tags using A, and I'll give it a base style. Next, I'll use the pseudo selector hover to select the hover state, or when the mouse is hovering over the element, to change the color. This is done by using the selector that we want to use, then using colon and the state that we want to select. So this will select all tags, all A tags, in the hover state. I'll change the color to orange on hover. Let's see what this looks like. Here we have our google.com link, which starts as green, and when I hover, the color changes to orange. An easy way to test state changes with our CSS in the developer tools is to actually right-click on our element, choose Force Element State, and set it to hover. Here we can see that the new rule, A hover, has overridden the default A color. Note that both rules are still applying. So for instance, if I wanted to turn off the text decoration, this underline, for both the default state and the hover state, I only have to apply it to the default state. Here I'll add the rule for text decoration and set it to none. Note that I don't have to also put it in our hover pseudo selector. Reloading the page shows that the underline is gone, and when I hover, the underline is still gone, even though the color is changing. Let's see what this looks like in the Style tab. I'll force the element state to hover, and we can see that color is being overridden, but text decoration stays.